US President Donald Trump, never one to hold back, has announced a shiny new round of tariffs, this time aimed at countries that dare to associate with BRICS bloc, because apparently diplomatic alliances now come with price tags. In a thunderous speech over the weekend, Trump accused BRICS of anti-American rhetoric and collusion. Yes, collusion, the word that just won't go away. His message to the world: if you stand with BRICS, you will pay, no exceptions. Except maybe the UK and China and Vietnam. Kind of. Meanwhile, at the BRICS summit in Rio, world leaders had the audacity to suggest that trade should be fair and multilateral. In their joint communique, they committed the ultimate crime, calling US tariffs unilateral and unfair. We reject weaponization of trade, the BRICS leaders said. Commerce must not be held hostage to nationalism. Responding to Trump's remarks, the Chinese Foreign Ministry said on Monday the use of tariffs serves no one, and reiterated Beijing's opposition to using tariffs as a means of political pressure. We oppose tariff being used as a tool to coerce others, the ministry added. Back in April, US President Donald Trump announced big hikes in tariffs, basically taxes on goods from other countries. The question is, what was the purpose of these high tariffs? Trump is using high tariffs to pressure other countries into trade deals that benefit the US. He sees tariff as a way to bring countries to the negotiating table and get better trade deals. Trump tariffs aim to protect American businesses and make the US less dependent on foreign goods. Trump uses tariffs like bargaining chips to push other countries into making trade deals that favor the US. But he gave the world 90 days to make trade deals and avoid the new rates. Now that grace period ends on July 9. Trump says he is ready. Starting this Friday, the US will begin sending letters to 10 to 12 countries a day, telling them what their new tariff rates will be, anywhere between 10% and 70%. He has already called out countries like Japan and the European Union, accusing them of making unfair trade deals. Japan could face a 35% tariff hike. So far, only the UK and China have made limited deals. Trump also mentioned Vietnam, but no official agreement yet. These new tariffs will kick in from August 1, and experts say it could hurt global trade, slow down supply chains, and increase prices in many countries. In Trump words, time's up and you need to pay up.